Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a 2016 Chevy Equinox. Stock number is 18G839A. Starting right away up front, you have factory fog lamps and a nice chrome grille. A look down the passenger side, you have chrome wheels wrapped with Michelin Latitude tires. Inside, cloth interior. Seats are very clean all the way throughout. Up top you have a cargo rack. One more look down the passenger side, then swinging around to the back end. You have a rear backup camera on the back. Taking a look in the hatch now. There's a 60-40 split on the back seats, so you can fold those down. Power assist liftgate, so it's simply the press of that button. Hatch folds itself down just like that. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used car dealer, so it's worth the trip. Cruise, audio, and Bluetooth controls. Full touchscreen that includes your stereo. Climate control and dual heated seats, and your automatic transmission is here. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this Equinox on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report that is provided by AutoCheck. All of this and much more at holidayautomotive.com.